these decisions, which we have reached today, will ensure that Nigeria's oil production and peace in the Niger Delta and development efforts in the Niger Delta are sorted out and solved within the shortest possible time. This will impact generally on the world energy situation. Like the Prime Minister has said, today Nigeria has the capacity to pump another 1.2 million barrels of crude to the world market. But that is not so because of the situation in the Delta region. The British government has undertaken to help us resolve the agitations and the crisis with the communities in the Niger Delta region and to help us to develop the region. I have told the Prime